In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a ConvertKit account. ConvertKit, now known as Kit, is a powerful tool if you're looking to manage your email marketing effortlessly or start a new project. So let's jump right into it. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Kit website. Simply open up your preferred web browser and type in their URL. Once you're there, you'll notice the clean, user-friendly design that Kit is known for, making it easy for even first-time users to navigate. Next up, look for the Start Free Trial option. Usually, you can find this button prominently displayed on the home page. Clicking this will take you to the sign up page where we'll dive into creating your account. Signing up for the free trial is a great way to explore Kit's features without any financial commitment. Now you'll find yourself on the Create Account tab. Here, you'll start by entering your name. This is the name that will be associated with your account, so make sure you type it in correctly. Adding your name is a simple step. But remember, this personalizes your account and can help when reaching out for customer support. Once you've entered your name, it's time to add your email address. Make sure to use an email that you check regularly, as Kit will send important information about your account here. Plus, in case you forget your password, this email will be essential for recovering your account. Speaking of passwords, the next step involves creating one. Choose a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols, ensuring it's something you can remember but difficult for others to guess. A strong password will keep your account secure. After you've set your password, look for the checkbox that asks you to agree to Kit's policy terms. This is a standard procedure, letting the platform know you've read and accepted their terms of service and privacy policy. If you're curious or cautious, it's always a good idea to take a moment to read through these policies with all these fields properly filled out and the terms agreed to. You're just one click away from starting your journey with Kit. Hit the Get Started button to activate the trial and create your account. And there you have it. You've now successfully set up your ConvertKit or Kit account. You'll likely receive a welcome email shortly filled with tips and tricks to help you make the most out of your new account. Remember, this free trial is an excellent opportunity to familiarize yourself with all the tools and features Kit offers, so dive in and explore. If you have any questions or run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to their support team. They're known for being quite helpful and responsive. Happy organizing, and I hope you enjoy your experience with Kit.